far across the tropical plains. The magnificent White Grey Brahman cow stands as a symbol of strength, resilience, and natural beauty. Its distinctive hump, smooth gray-white coat, and graceful curved horns have made it one of the world's most recognizable cattle breeds. In this AI-generated documentary, inspired by real horncraft techniques, we follow the fascinating journey of naturally sourced Brahman cow horns as skilled artisans transform them into elegant, decorative products. The journey begins with carefully sourced horns collected as approved agricultural byproducts after the natural end of an animal's life. Every horn is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Workers examine its size, curvature, thickness, and natural grain, while checking for cracks or imperfections. Only the strongest and healthiest horns continue into production, ensuring every finished product meets premium quality expectations. Selected horns move to the cleaning area, where high-pressure water removes dirt, dust, and surface impurities. Eco-friendly cleaning solutions help loosen any remaining residue, while rotating brushes gently scrub every curve without damaging the horn's natural surface. This careful cleaning process prepares the raw material for the next stage, while preserving the beautiful natural texture hidden beneath the outer layer. After washing, the horns enter temperature-controlled drying chambers. Warm, circulating air slowly removes moisture from deep within the horn material, preventing cracks during later processing. Technicians continuously monitor humidity and temperature using digital sensors. Proper drying is one of the most important stages because stable moisture levels help maintain the horn's natural strength and flexibility during manufacturing. Once fully dried, every horn is measured using digital calipers and laser scanners. The length, thickness, curve, and wall density are carefully recorded. Based on these measurements, technicians classify each horn according to its best use. Larger horns may become decorative bowls or display pieces, while medium and smaller horns are reserved for combs, handles, jewelry, and other handcrafted products. The horns are then trimmed using precision band saws that remove the hollow base and uneven tips. Every cut follows carefully marked guidelines to maximize usable material while reducing waste. Operators maintain steady cutting speeds to prevent overheating, preserving the horn's natural structure. The remaining horn sections are neatly sorted, according to their size and future purpose. Next comes one of the most fascinating stages, softening the horn. The cut pieces are placed inside heated water or steam chambers, where controlled temperatures gradually make the natural material flexible. Skilled workers carefully monitor the heating time, because too much heat can weaken the horn, while too little heat makes shaping difficult. Experience plays a key role during this delicate process. While still warm and flexible, each horn is transferred to shaping stations. Heavy steel presses and handcrafted molds gently flatten or curve the horn into its required form. Some pieces become smooth, flat sheets, while others retain their elegant, natural curves. Workers adjust every piece by hand, ensuring the shape follows both the product design and the horn's unique, natural grain. After shaping, the horn pieces are slowly cooled inside controlled cooling racks. This gradual cooling allows the material to retain its new form without creating internal stress. Workers inspect every piece for uniform thickness and smooth edges before moving it to the machining department. Any item that fails to meet quality standards is recycled into smaller, handcrafted products, ensuring almost nothing goes to waste. The cooled horn blanks are transferred to precision cutting machines, where computer-guided equipment slices them into exact dimensions. Circular discs, curved panels, strips, and decorative shapes are produced according to detailed design templates. Every cut is carefully planned to maximize material efficiency while preserving the horns. Beautiful natural color patterns and unique grain. Once cut, Each component moves through a series of grinding stations. Abrasive wheels remove rough edges, smooth uneven surfaces, and refine every curve with remarkable precision. Skilled craftsmen constantly inspect each piece by hand, ensuring the natural horn remains balanced and symmetrical. This stage requires patience, as even the smallest imperfection can affect the final appearance. Fine sanding begins using progressively smoother, abrasive belts that remove tiny scratches left during grinding. As the surface becomes increasingly smooth, the horn's natural shades of ivory, cream, gray, and amber gradually emerge. The beautiful organic patterns hidden within every horn become more visible, giving each finished product a unique appearance that cannot be perfectly duplicated. After sanding, skilled artisans carefully examine each horn piece under bright inspection lights. They look for tiny surface marks, uneven thickness, or natural imperfections that may require additional finishing. Every piece is handled individually because no two horns share the same texture or pattern. This careful inspection ensures only high-quality materials continue to the next stage of production. Selected horn pieces are transferred to precision carving stations where experienced craftsmen shape decorative details, using rotary tools and fine cutting instruments. Some products receive elegant curves, while others are engraved with traditional patterns or modern designs. Every movement is controlled by hand, combining years of experience with the horn's natural beauty to create one-of-a-kind decorative pieces. Once carving is complete, the products enter the polishing department. Soft polishing wheels coated with fine polishing compounds gently buff every surface until a deep, natural shine begins to appear. As the polishing continues, the rich layers and translucent beauty hidden inside the horn become visible. This stage transforms a rough material into a smooth, elegant, decorative product. Each polished item is cleaned with soft microfiber cloths to remove polishing residue and fine dust. Workers carefully inspect the glossy finish from every angle under bright lights, ensuring the surface is perfectly smooth and free from scratches. Products requiring additional polishing are returned for further refinement, while approved pieces continue toward the finishing department. The finishing department. Every decorative horn product receives its final shape. Skilled artisans carefully smooth every edge by hand, ensuring each piece feels comfortable to hold while preserving its natural appearance. Minor adjustments are made using fine hand tools, and every curve is checked against the original design. This careful attention to detail gives each product its premium, handcrafted quality. The finished pieces move to the quality control laboratory, where trained inspectors carefully examine every item. Dimensions, surface finish, color consistency, and overall craftsmanship are checked under bright inspection lights. Only products that meet strict quality standards receive final approval. Each approved piece is gently cleaned, labeled, and prepared for protective packaging before shipment. Packaging specialists wrap every decorative horn product using soft protective materials that prevent scratches during transportation. Each item is placed inside custom-designed boxes with protective inserts to keep it secure throughout shipping. Product labels, care instructions, and quality certificates are added before every package is sealed and prepared for distribution to customers around the world. From a naturally sourced agricultural byproduct to an elegant handcrafted decorative object, the journey of a White Grey Brahman cow horn reflects remarkable craftsmanship and responsible resource use. Through skilled hands, modern equipment, and careful quality control, every horn is transformed into a unique product that showcases nature's beauty. Thank you for watching this AI-generated documentary inspired by real horncraft techniques. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating manufacturing documentaries. After packaging, the finished horn products are carefully packed into larger export cartons, lined with protective cushioning. Each shipment is labeled according to its destination, allowing distributors and retailers to track every package. Before leaving the workshop, supervisors perform one final inspection to confirm that every carton meets shipping standards and is ready for safe transportation. Every decorative horn product tells a different story because no two natural horns are exactly alike. Their unique colors, natural grain, and flowing patterns make every handcrafted piece one of a kind. This natural beauty, combined with careful craftsmanship and modern production methods, creates products valued by collectors, designers, and customers around the world.